Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you a quick review and explain how to use GPS navigation system for Hyundai Santa Fe. So let's start and switch on the screen first. Once when your screen is on, you can choose from the shortcut button your navigation. Then you have to enter your address, so go straight here. As you can see, it's a touchscreen, so it's very easy and comfortable to be used. Now on the top there is a selection for your country, so press here and you can see all countries in Europe. So let's choose Bulgaria. Okay, Bulgaria is selected. Then you must enter your city. I will put Sofia. It's quite easy to use. So Sofia. Then you have to enter your street. Let's enter the name. Enter. Yeah. Now it's a Boulevard Cherny Vrag, Vituša Sofia. Then we have to enter the number of the street. Right. So here is all information which system is asking you. Then you can see on the map exactly the location which you just entered, and if you are sure that this is your correct place, just press start. Now system is calculating your route, and just wait a little bit. Normally it gives you at least two options. Right, the first is the fastest way to go, just for 5 hours and 30 minutes, and the second option is the road without highway and the taxis. So I'm gonna choose the fastest way. Then on the screen you get some useful information like time at the moment, time for arriving, distance in kilometers, and total time for this trip. Then from here you can zoom or put away your map. You can use also from here, plus or minus, very useful. And of course you can use your voice assistance all the way to the distance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for our channel. See you next time.